Hello, we are still here in Paris in the Eurocore 2024. Now we're at the booth of QLab. Okay, I am with my friend Sean and Julien.
Julien, yeah.
Right? So maybe we can come together.
Okay.
Guys,
Go
I
out
see
there.
here a nice piece of equipment. Can you say something about this one? What do we have here?
Yeah, so this is the QFOG CRH cyclic corrosion chamber.
Okay.
And this test will run everything from your basic salt spray tests, such as ASTM B117,
Okay.
ISO 9227. It'll do wet dry cyclic testing.
So basically, this is the type of equipment that we use when you want to test coating quality, for example.
Exactly.
Accelerated test for coating. Okay?
Coating quality or any kind of pre-treatment to protect metals against corrosion.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it's used for.
For those followers that they have no clue about this type of equipment, this is how we operators could rely on specific types of coating. So
Yeah.
we open the equipment
Yeah.
and see what is inside.
So the special quality about this particular chamber, the QFOG CRH, is that it also has climatic control. What that means is it controls precisely the relative humidity level,
Okay.
okay? And it controls the time of transition from one phase of a test, such as wetness, to the other phase, such as dryness.
Yeah.
And that's used in the automotive industry. So it's used to make the test more realistic. It makes the test more repeatable between labs. So it ensures that the conditions your specimens see,
Standardization.
Yeah,
That's
more
important to be
standardized.
able to compare results between different labs. So
Yes.
we use standard conditions for testing different types of
yeah,
coating.
exactly.
Great. And for example, how many test specimens can we fit in this equipment?
So this is the smaller of the two chambers. The 600 liter, you can fit about 140 specimens in
Okay.
there. We fit a little over 200
In
the
1100
larger
liter.
chamber. Yeah.
And for those followers that they are listening about this type of test for the first time, what kind of geometry do we use for this type of test? It's only this type of.
So you can test flat panels. So typically something that's 50 by 100 millimeters would be this for a coupon. And that's used as a quality control device, but your actual specimens will be bigger than that.
Okay. Yes.
And but you can also test components.
Of course.
So more and more of our
Oh.
customers are actually testing components.
So you can change these arrangements.
yeah, so you
kind
can
of.
you can hang specimens off of these,
Oh,
these
right.
rods, or you put flat panels in the rack.
Right.
And if you have really large components, we have actual a grate that you can put on the bottom for heavy specimens.
Amazing.
So there's a lot more of that kind of testing being done these days.
Up to 500 kilograms you can
Okay.
place inside
Heavy
the
stuff.
chamber.
And out of curiosity, if I place an order today, how long would it take for me to get my new toy? 1 year, 1 month?
No, we have a European stock. These chambers are manufactured in our facility in the US, next to Cleveland, but in different parts of the world we have some logistic platform. So for Europe we have a logistic platform in Germany.
Okay.
So we could have stock, and sometimes we try to maintain a stock. So if we have stock, we can be delivered everywhere in Europe within 1 week.
Amazing.
If we don't have stock, you need to wait the next container from the US, which is 6 to 8 weeks maximum.
Okay, quite convenient. And maybe to close out, would you like to mention something about your company, your products that you think you're proud of that or would be unique of your organization?
Yeah, well, QLab is a small American company. We've been in business since the 1950s. And our goal is to make testing simple for customers. So that means making the chamber simple
That's
to
what
use,
we need.
reliable, right? So that an average operator can run the machine, and that makes the test more repeatable as well.
Amazing. Gents, thanks a lot for your explanation.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.